So for those who don't know me, my name is Tekabo. I'm an engineering student and I live in Perth, Western Australia, and I trade NASDAQ futures. I started trading about August of last year when I met a guy at the gym, and I had a little talk to him and he told me about how he's making money through clicking buttons on a computer screen and staring at candlesticks. And I just kind of found that fascinating in a sense. Like, I've seen it on movies and shit, people making money and the stock market stuff, but I actually never understood what it was. So he introduced me to CFDs and forex, foreign exchange currency trading, and I started doing that from August to about December. I was trading all these different mechanical strategies I was watching on YouTube, and none of it worked. Basically, it was all not adapted for the current market. I'm not gonna say it was all bullshit, but it was all not adapted for what's happening right now. And you need discretion for what's happening right now, as the market is very volatile and very weird, especially with all the Trump news and shit. But yeah, so I did that. I did forex for like August until December, 4 months, and then I switched to NASDAQ, and I switched to NASDAQ futures to be more specific. And NASDAQ futures are so much better than forex, so much better than forex. I hate saying I trade ICT concepts, but I trade liquidity concepts. I will get more into my strategy later, but I trade liquidity concepts, and my discretion is extremely important in the market for futures. And over the past 6 months, I've just been focusing on the NASDAQ. The past 2 months I've been getting very consistent, very good. In the past 1 month, the past fortnight, I have took out about 4 payouts. Last week on Thursday, I took out $770 times 2, because I'm copy trading 2 accounts, just so I can figure out how to copy trade early on. So I took out 1.5k USD, 2.5k Australian for everyone who's in Australia. And then not yesterday but the day before, I requested another payout, as I already am up like 4R for the week. And I requested 1.25k USD per account, 2.5k USD total for that payout, and 3.55k AUD for everyone else. So yeah, in about 2 weeks, I've made 6,000 Australian dollars, 4,000 US, and that is very much covered all of my expenses and all of my losses that I've accumulated. And I'm starting to get rewarded for my work. I may chuck in a little video of me requesting that payout a couple days ago, so if you want to skip it, just skip it. So I just woke up like 10 minutes ago, but I'm too excited and I want to take out this payout. Refresh it for proof. Kaboom, kablow, 3.3k per account. You can see the payout request, 1.25 per account US. Alright, so enough about the payouts that I took in the money. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about my trading strategy and how I trade. So I trade continuations, I trade liquidity concepts, I trade basically small risk to reward, so like 1-to-1 or 1-to-2s, but I have like an 80% win rate. My journal's here, and yeah, if you look through the data of the past 2 months, I have literally a 80% win rate on the dot. But yeah, I trade continuations, I target liquidity, I use momentum displacement to go towards liquidity, I use retraces out of fair value gaps, and then I use inverse fair value gaps to show me market structure flips and when buyers take control of sellers or sellers take control of buyers. Basically just reading how the market moves through my technical analysis. and my technical analysis is based on liquidity and a lot of discretion. Especially right now, a lot of discretion is very, very, very important. And I don't mean, oh, I feel like it's going to do this. I mean, look through your data, look through your journal, find patterns, and then use these patterns as your discretion. More about short-term patterns. But I will get into the entire strategy in another video. I'll make a proper video teaching each concept. I may make one for advanced traders and one for people who just want to get started. But yeah, leave suggestions in the comments about what I should teach, what I should do. And yeah, if you want to watch, watch. If you don't want to watch, don't watch it. That's it.